Hey, hi everyone. So a few days back, I was giving an interview to LTI Mindtree as a front-end developer, and there they have asked me this question. So they asked the solution for this one. So basically, it says that find the first character that appears only once, right? So, like, I'll write a function. I have to write the function which will take this string as the input parameter, and it will return L because L is the first character which appears only once. You can see here T also is there, right? So which is also once, but as L is the first one, so we have to return L here. Also here for love LeetCode, right? So for this one we have we have the expected output as V, right? So because V is the first character which comes first, we also have this T right here, which comes once, but we only have to return V here. So what approach I have taken there is initially I have loop through all these string characters, and then I will just create an object now where I will just make the key as this each character and the value as the count of this each character, and then again I will just loop through all those keys of that object, and then I'll just run a check that if the count is 1, if the count is 1, then I'll just return that key. So let's try that this question. So I'll just create a function here, const get character. So this will take a string, and what I'll do, I'll just quickly run a for loop. So for let let I equal to 0 y less than string dot length I plus plus. So here I'll do one thing. I'll just create an object const obj now. Here I'll just run a check if string of I that is present inside obj of string of I, then obj of string of I plus equal to 1. So what I'm doing, I'm just, if it is already present inside the obj, then I'm just making the count, increasing the count with plus 1. If it is not present, then I will just create a key obj of string of I and make the count as 1. So this is the first thing we have to do. So let's see, like if we are getting this count or not here. So I'll just log this one obj, right? So I'll just call this get first character, and then let's suppose LeetCode. So I'll just run this code. Okay, so it's giving L1 E 3 times. So yeah, E is 3 times, T1 C1 O1 D1. So basically we have to return this L here. Also we have this T first, T as 1 time, C as 1 time, O as 1 time, D as 1 time, but we have to return L. That's because L is the first character which appears once, right? So now what I will do, I'll just remove this console here. I'll run again a for loop based on the Let me get the keys. Okay, first keys to object. So we have this inbuilt function, right? Object dot keys, and then we have this obj. So for let j equal to 0, j less than keys dot length j plus plus, right? So what we'll do here, we'll check if what's the count of this first one, right? So we are looping through this one, so we'll check if keys of j, right? So that is equal to 1. So basically obj is this object, right, of keys is this key let, right? So keys, so this is an array of j. So basically that j is that numbered element. So this will check if it is 1 or not, if this is 1 or not, if this is 1 or not. So if it finds that anything is 1 for the first time, then it will return that. So what I will do here, I'll just return the keys of j, and if it is it's not able to find that, then what we'll do, we'll just return later, like return -1. Okay, fine. So yeah, so yeah, let's check if this is working or not. So we'll just do console log here. So yeah, you can see L is coming here, right? And if we pass this one, and let's see, so for this one the expected output is V, right? So yeah, V is coming. And let's suppose we are not getting anything, right? Like if I just passing empty string, right? So let's see. So this is giving me -1 because this is an empty string, and we don't have anything, any character here. And if we are just passing like this, then it should return -1. Yeah, so that's all. Yeah, thank you.